The ABS Team External Training Request is a self-developed add-on for the SAP SuccessFactors Learning module. My name is Christine, I'm a consultant at ABS Team, and today I'd like to introduce you to the product and its benefits. Here you can see the SAP Standard tool. It is more like a formal request. It contains a large number of fields that makes it much more difficult for the end user to submit a request. Individual customization is only possible to a very limited extent, such as changing the wording or deleting fields. The design is no longer in line with the modern interface of SAP SuccessFactors. The ABS Team tool, on the other hand, offers the end user a clear presentation of the form with the essential fields that are required and needed. This makes it particularly easy to submit a request. As an end user, you can submit a request for an external event yourself. The user can enter the data as required in the fields provided or use the search function to look for events already requested by others. You can enter the title and the organizer of the training. You can also select the period of time based on date and time. You can also add the location and training costs. As additional fields, you can link the website or type in a notification. In the last step, you can add an attachment and upload this one. The application can be sent directly or saved as a draft. If the request is sent, an approval is triggered if needed. This can be an approval by the direct manager. The approval appears on the SAP SuccessFactors homepage for further processing. All submitted requests can be viewed via the My Request tab. Here, the end user can track all requests and view their current status. There are also actions that a user can use to create a calendar entry for himself or contact the training administrator. A collective mailbox for the personal development is recommended here as an example. Drafts can be found in the Drafts tab. By clicking on the request, the form opens with the data already filled in, and the end user can add it in and send it or save it as a draft again. For a new request, you can choose For Others. The For Others function can be activated for groups of people as needed. For example, a manager can submit a mass request. The fields are similar to the For Myself view, except for the participant selection function. Here, the user can search for all employees that they have access to via the SAP SuccessFactors platform. The request can also be sent again or saved as a draft. The ABS Team External Training Request is the ideal addition to your SAP SuccessFactors Learning module. It offers you a modern and intuitive interface for your employees and managers. Simply submit requests and have them approved by the managers. Integration with SAP SuccessFactors Learning makes it easier to document and track all external trainings. You can find more information about our products and services on www.abs-team.de, and to make sure you don't miss anything, sign up for our newsletter.